Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And you can probably tell that I'm not at my normal desk today. Got something a little bit different. I mentioned in my last video how I've been working on this project. Basically a display box for my collection. And I'm gonna go through my locks, maybe not one by one, but I'm gonna load up my display box that I made here. I'm gonna start with yeah, I guess just showing you the box. So I made this out of pine. Oops, sorry about that, guys. 1x6 pine on the bottom, 1x3 on the top. Basically my first project like this. I have never really done fine carpentry, and this could arguably be somewhat fine, but anyway, my first go, I wanted to have miter joints for the top, but they didn't come out very good, so I just went with butt joints, which I'm pretty happy with. But just got the glass put in, and I'm gonna load it up with some locks and show you guys what I have in my collection. Well, first to start with, I was kind of unsure on how to properly mount or display the 570 cylinders that I have, the Australian ovals, and as well as European profile cylinders. So this is what I came up with. Just came up with it quick. Could be a lot of better ways to do it, but this is what I came up with. In the time I did, like I said, there's other ways to do it. I probably could cut some holes in this oval shape and use the hole in them to mount it. But I think this works all right, and maybe some of you guys would be interested in making something like this for your cylinders. Pretty easy to do. Just drilled 2 holes in the side of it there. Hang on a second here. Working off a tripod. Oh. Yeah. Just drilled 2 holes in the side of it, put a clothes hanger through one of the holes, and a dowel through the other one to keep the locks from just, hanging down under their own weight. But, yeah, pretty happy with that. So that'll go in. I'll go in right here. And mortise cylinders are easy. Just, you know what I mean? Drill some holes the proper size and drop some cylinders in. I'm not sure how. Actually, I'll start with this. This is my original display that I'm sure most of you guys have seen in the background of my videos. Sorry about the camera shaking, guys. Working with a crappy tripod. But I'll probably start with these. I think I'm gonna make the top row IC cylinders. I might change this over time, but for now I think I'm gonna put actually I don't have enough IC cylinders to fill the top row, but let me see here. I'm actually going to put an empty housing in there so I can switch cylinders from. bilock here. I think, yeah, that might not fit because that's oh, it's a rim cylinder, but it does fit. Awesome. And I'm not sure what I'm going to put in that last one, but the next row here I'm going to put Medicos. It's a M3 right there. Another M3, just normal biax. And yeah, like I said, I'm not sure that I'm going to keep what order I'm going to put these in. I might put this Medico over here, but it is an IC, so I'll leave it there for now. Everyone's got to have a Sargent in their collection. Actually, I'm going to put my Sargents right here. What else do we got here? Another Sarge. Schlage. Okay, perfect. Another Sargent. Actually, I'm rethinking that. These should probably go in the bottom row. Unless I have one more Sargent somewhere. Which I don't. So these will go in the bottom row. Alright, Corbin Russwin. Still need a Russwin for my collection. Multi-lock. Hope this video turns out half decent, guys. I never film in here, and the lighting is kind of iffy, but alright, yeah, I'm probably going to end up changing the order of this, like I said. There's a Schlage, Everest, and a Primus. And that's not going to fit because it's a key and knob cylinder in a holder. But this is where I'm not sure how I'm going to display these two. I like them to be next to each other. Both ASA twins. Maybe something like, oh, that's going to be hard to take out of there. It's a really tight fit. Okay. I think I'll put these, ooh, that's tight too. Put these twins up here. It fits right in there, but some finish might have gotten those holes. I'll leave that like that for now. And I'm surprised I actually have one empty hole. But I do have some other stuff to put in there. I might put a rim cylinder or something. And a few things I'm still unsure on how to display And I only have a couple of them. These Scandinavian ovals. It's just normal ASA there, and this is a ASA 700. Not sure how to display these. Might just leave them sitting there for now. And onto the padlocks. Where to start? Well, start with the box stuff, I guess. I have 2 of these Paclock number 3s in a box. Nothing special, but they're going to go in there. I'll bring you guys up a bit if I can. Oh, sorry guys. This tripod really sucks. And it's really hot in here. Got the air conditioning right off screen here. It's off, so it doesn't cause too much racket. Another Paclock. Might have showed this one before. Oh yeah, I must. Yeah, I think I did. This is awesome with Paclock. It actually has my name on it. You can probably read it through the tape, but whatever. I'm not gonna bother editing that out. Or I might. I don't even know if I know how to do that, but whatever. It doesn't matter. So that's gonna stay in its box. That's a Paclock puck lock that takes a small format interchangeable core, so that's kind of cool. A lot of people have one of these. Oops. Paclock block lock, the prototype that they sent out to be tested by people in the community. Did a bit of used it for a bit, but it's actually too big for a lot of hasps, so that's why it's right here. And next I get into some of my favorite padlocks. Let's see. Start with this one, Abus, that I got from Mr. Paul Springett. Thanks again, buddy. Which has the kick adapter, and it has CX5 in it, CX5 key and knob cylinder. Just leave that like that, I guess. Nice old Best. One of the older ones with the it's a non-ball bearing. What's next? This ASA I really like. It has 700 coordinate. This is one of my favorites in my collection. It's ASA Ruko 2, and it has a twin core, twin 6000, I believe. So that's definitely one of my favorite locks. I'm not sure how I should. Might eventually make something to keep these locks upright. I'm not sure. It's still a work in progress. Beautiful anchor lock. Lass means lock in Sweden. With a D12 Scandinavian oval. Beautiful lock. And this one's fairly new. I forget the model on this, but it's a Best with the shackle guard on it. Newer one with the ball bearing locking mechanism. And while this video is already getting long, that's pretty much it, guys. Besides an oval cylinder still in the box, the Lockwood Fire Brigade lock, and just this Brady lockout tagout. So yeah, that's basically my collection, guys. I know it's really not a lot compared to what some of you guys have. There's a few odds and ends that I'm not going to put in here. Like I have a bunch of kick cylinders and stuff that's in the outgoing bin ready to be sent out to people. But for the most part, this is my my favorite stuff that I probably won't be trading unless something comes up where I can get work out a nice deal with someone. But probably be drilling a bigger hole for that or finding a smaller kick cylinder, Schlage Primus. And I do have two Abloy Protecs here, and I do have an Abloy Protec kick that I'm not sure how I will display. But I'm going to sign off with that. Don't want this video getting too long, but that's everything I took out. Oh, one last thing. Little Abloy with the classic keyway. 220, Abloy 220. Pretty cool lock. And just some of the keys. But yeah, hope you guys like that. I know I always like seeing people's collections. Again, this is nothing compared to what some of you guys have, and I know that, but I'm extremely happy with it. Most of the stuff was given to me, so it's important stuff to me, close to my heart. Alright guys, and again, I'm going to sign off with that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Don't pick locks you don't own or have permission to pick, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, almost forgot the most important part here. Oop. There we go. And I think it's a job well done. I'm pretty happy with it. Alright guys, see you on the next one.